So this is the wife's 2019 Fiesta ST. Has pretty much every option except for the sunroof. You can see that up there. Currently covered in this wonderful white powdery Texas snow. Came with the 17-inch black wheels. We upgraded the headlights to the fog lights, I'm sorry, to the Morimoto LEDs. I'll have a link for that down below later. And then this has a Cobb AccessPort and the MBRP exhaust that you heard there on the cold start. That's really it for right now. I'm gonna let this thing warm up a bit. Let this thing warm up a little bit, and then we are going to do a couple revs, I think. Alright, there's a couple of quick revs for you guys. I just wanted to get that in. Don't want to go too crazy and piss off the neighbors. It's just a little Fiesta. But I hope you enjoyed that little quick clip. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I know I don't have a whole lot of content to speak for right now, but I'm hoping to start getting some more stuff together. I've also got my Audi S6 that we're going to be doing some clips on, and got a Camaro and hopefully some other I don't want to say projects yet, but other cars that are going to be coming to the channel soon. Anyway, thanks again, and y'all stay safe.